Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set app time limits on Android. So this feature should be available by default on any Android. First of all, you have to open the settings in your Android mobile and then you have to search for this option, digital well-being and parental controls. This option should be there no matter whichever Android phone that you are using, because this is on pure stock Android too. So go to digital well-being and parental controls. Now inside this could be a little bit different depending upon the phone you are using. In my case, I'm using this Redmi device based on Android 14.1.6.0. So if I want to set an app timer, I can tap on this dashboard. Now select the app that you want to set a time for. So let's say I want to set up time for this Facebook. I'll select Facebook, then tap on this app timer, and now you can easily set the time. So if I want to select like 2 hours or 1 hour, it depends, like let's say I'm going for 2 hours, and then tap on this OK, and now as you can see, app timer set for 2 hours. This way we can set app timers on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.